In this video, we'll explain how high-speed internet is installed on board an FPSO using two main technologies, VSAT and Starlink Maritime. This includes system selection, planning, physical installation, network integration, testing, and commissioning. The first step: system selection. High-speed internet offshore typically relies on satellite communication. The two main systems are VSAT, known as Very Small Aperture Terminal, a motorized stabilized antenna that connects to geostationary satellites. Latency, 600 ms. Speed, typically 2 to 20 megabits per second. Full global coverage. Proven in harsh offshore environments. Starlink Maritime, a flat panel antenna that connects to a low Earth orbit satellite network. Latency, 2100 ms. Speed, up to 220 megabits per second. Expanding coverage offshore. Compact, easy to install, no moving parts. A hybrid setup combining VSAT and Starlink is commonly used to ensure uptime and optimize performance. Secondly, site survey and preparation. Before installation, perform a line-of-sight analysis to select antenna locations with clear sky visibility. Ensure antenna sites are away from cranes, flare stacks, and radar masts. Confirm structural integrity for mounting. Plan cable routing to internal IT racks or comms cabinets. Verify power source availability and UPS backup capacity. Once the following are conducted, the next step: the physical installation. When it comes to VSAT installation, these are factors that should be considered. Mount the stabilized VSAT antenna using a vibration-isolated bracket. Run dual coaxial RF cables, TX/RX, from the antenna to the below deck unit, BDU. Connect BDU to modem/router and power supply. Ground the antenna base and use marine-grade cable glands for sealing. Starlink installation. Mount Starlink flat panel terminals on a high, unobstructed deck location. Use marine brackets for stability. Run single shielded Ethernet cable, with PoE, to router or switch. No BDU or modem is required. Built-in router handles link connection. Network integration. Connect both Starlink and VSAT to a dual WAN firewall or router. Configure load balancing or failover rules depending on usage profile. Segment network traffic using VLANs for crew Wi-Fi, operational systems, and business use. Apply QoS policies to prioritize SCADA, CCTV, VoIP, and real-time monitoring traffic. Set up VPN tunnels for secure remote access to onshore networks. Once installed, it's time for testing and commissioning. Verify system lock-on and satellite registration. Test throughput: 1. VSAT, 2 to 20 megabits per second, depending on plan. 2. Starlink, 50 to 220 megabits per second depending on region and weather. Check connectivity to 1. Cloud platforms. 2. Onshore corporate servers. 3. Remote monitoring tools. Log system performance and generate a test report. One of the most overlooked yet critical phases of any offshore internet installation is documentation and handover. Deliver detailed documentation. 1. System block diagram. 2. Antenna placement map. 3. Cable routing layout. 4. IP address plan. 5. Router/firewall configurations. 6. Satellite bandwidth allocation. Provide SOPs for reboot, troubleshooting, and escalation. Train onboard crew on basic diagnostics and remote support access. A modern FPSO can achieve high-speed internet through proper deployment of Starlink and VSAT systems. When installed and configured correctly, these systems provide reliable operational communications, enhanced safety through real-time monitoring, better crew welfare through high-speed access, continuous connectivity via automated failover. Both technologies complement each other in offshore environments and are essential for digital operations in today's maritime oil and gas sector. For more of these types of technical videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again in our next feed.